This week's Healthcare Hero introduces us to Troy Krupica, the section chief for hospital medicine at WVU and the medical director for 2 Sunrise nursing homes. At WVU, he is in charge of the largest section of medicine, taking care of around 200 patients a day. At the nursing homes, he works as the primary care physician for nearly 200 elderly people. The West Virginia native says he loves the opportunities the state has given him. Some of his inspiration to go into healthcare stemmed from his parents, who taught him and his brother to try and do anything they can to help others. During the peak of the pandemic, his group provided the highest level of care outside of the ICU for COVID patients at WVU. He also had to work through COVID outbreaks in each of the nursing homes that he helps. He says seeing the breakdown of the healthcare system during the pandemic made him want to do his part.
It was tiring and exhausting at times, but I do think a lot of other people who both had COVID and worked on the front lines had it much harder than me, so I can't spend any amount of time feeling sorry for myself. From my standpoint, I just tried to come to work and do my job and see if I could help as many people as possible. I mean, the real heroes are, invented the vaccines and the nurses that are there on the floor. So I don't consider myself a hero. I consider myself a physician that needs to come to work and do my job as best I can.
He says he wants to encourage everyone to get the COVID vaccine.